My name is Pat Culpepper. I'm the president of Progressive Foam Technologies. This video is going to be about insulated vinyl siding, what it is, how it's made, what the pros and cons are, what the benefits are. The way insulated vinyl siding is made is simple. The vinyl manufacturer is going to extrude the vinyl siding in their plant, and typically insulated siding is made with the highest grade of vinyl that any one of these manufacturers make. It's shipped to us and it's paired with a foam backer, and a lot of things have to be taken into account about how these are paired together, but the important thing is the foam is the exact same shape. It's the mirror image of the vinyl siding itself, so they're designed to work together and they're paired perfectly. They're clearly bonded together, and they go into the marketplace with a long, long warranty on the fact that these will stay bonded together for 25 to 50 years. You know, we find that most homeowners want to get a new home at the same address, so they want to improve the way their home looks. Insulated siding is going to help you with that because it's giving you a product that, first of all, comes in a wide variety of colors. It looks just like wood, but it doesn't come with all the maintenance hassles that come along with wood. So you get a new set of colors, dark, vibrant colors if needed. It's going to look exactly like wood, and this product is also going to lay flat on the wall. Insulated vinyl siding is more durable than standard vinyl siding because of the addition of the foam backer. That foam is going to compress and return to its original shape anytime it's impacted. So the impact resistance of vinyl siding can be increased by over 300% simply by having a foam backer behind it. It seems intuitive to people that a product that is insulated vinyl siding is going to improve the energy efficiency of their home. What we're all striving for is a house that's more comfortable. So energy efficiency and cost savings are important. We hear this all the time from homeowners that now that I've added insulated siding to my house is just so much more comfortable. You know, my energy bills are going down, yes, but because my energy bills are going down, I could turn the thermostat up just a little bit, and my kids are more comfortable. When my mother comes over, she's not freezing to death, and there aren't hot and cold spots in rooms. A good insulation package is really going to help you with that. So comfort's a big deal. And I think in parallel along with that is sound. We hear all the time from homeowners, my house is just so much quieter now that I put insulated siding on my house, and they just love it. It's quiet and it's comfortable. And I think those two things really go together. Something that very few people think about is moisture management. Back in the 70s, they started putting a lot of insulation on the outside of walls in your attic, and boy, we had a new problem. The new problem was that we were trapping moisture in the wall. Now there's mold above my windows, there's mold on my ceiling, there's mold in my bathroom. Insulation products were not designed to allow the home to breathe. All insulated siding products are made with foam materials that have a very high permeance to water vapor, or in other words, it breathes. So it's going to trap energy in your house, but it's not going to trap water vapor. I think any good buyer or any good homeowner would ask, what are the pros and cons of any material? Anything that you're going to put on your house. We've talked a lot about the pros, and there are also cons to insulated vinyl siding. They're mostly related to cost. Insulated vinyl siding, because it's more durable, it's more rigid, it doesn't flex as easily, it's a little harder to install than traditional vinyl siding. But from the standpoint of buying the product, it is more expensive than traditional vinyl. You're getting a product that is dramatically higher in performance. It's adding R value, it's adding durability, it's adding impact resistance. It's doing a lot of good things for you. So the product is going to be a little bit more expensive. I would recommend insulated vinyl siding to anybody who is looking at their home as a long-term investment. But your house is going to look like a new house for many, 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 many years to come. It is a little bit more expensive, but it's going to give you better value than any other product in the marketplace. Let me just say this, if I was siding my own mother's house, this is what I put on my own mother's house, without a doubt. To learn more about insulated vinyl siding, download our ultimate guide at the link below. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button or subscribe to our YouTube channel.